Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Professor Xiao speaking. In this short video, I'm going to talk about and explain what is a term frequency table. It's also called feature vectors matrix. To be clear, this is the math equation to represent term frequency. It has two parameters. T refers to a term, D refers to a document. Term frequency table is the basic concept and foundational tool of the bag of words model. So what does term frequency matrix mean and what does it measure? As a matrix, term frequency represents how many times a term, T, appears in a document, D. A term is known as a feature in NLP. A document basically means a text value or string value of an observation, typically a value of the text column in a particular row. And that's why document D is represented by the rows of the TF matrix, whereas terms or features are represented by the columns. For a term frequency matrix, there are as many rows as there are data examples in the data set, and there will be X number of columns as the features allowed by the model. So now you understand what does each element of the term frequency matrix represent. It represents the number of times that a term in the column appears in a document as a row. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the term frequency matrix. See you next time.